Today we're tackling a crucial task: how to temporarily deactivate your WordPress website using the easiest and safest method. By the end of this quick guide, you'll know how to put your site into maintenance mode, protect your search rankings, and make sure visitors see a friendly, informative message until you're ready to go live again. Let's get started. The recommended way to temporarily deactivate your WordPress site is by using a plugin. Now you might be wondering, why use a plugin instead of simply shutting things down? Well, plugins designed for maintenance mode don't just hide your site. They also send the proper signals, namely the 503 service unavailable status code, to search engines like Google. This lets search engines know your site is down intentionally and temporarily, so your precious SEO rankings won't suffer. It's the digital equivalent of hanging a back in 5 minutes sign on a shop window instead of closing the shop and turning off the lights. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the central control room for your entire site, so make sure you're using an account with administrator access. If you're not yet familiar with the dashboard, it's usually found at your site, com/wp-admin. Pause here and double-check you're logged in before moving forward. It's essential for making any changes. Next, we're going to install a maintenance mode plugin. In the left sidebar, look for Plugins, then click on Add New. Here you'll see a search bar at the top right. Type in a trusted plugin name like SeedProd or WP Maintenance Mode. These plugins are well known because they're reliable, regularly updated, and really straightforward, even if you're new to WordPress. If you're unsure which to pick, either will do the job, but SeedProd is especially user-friendly for beginners. Once you've found your chosen plugin in the search results, click Install Now. In just a few seconds, WordPress will add the plugin to your site. When the button changes to Activate, go ahead and click it. This switches the plugin on. Don't worry if this part takes a couple of moments. WordPress is just setting things up in the background. With the plugin activated, let's configure the settings. Most plugins add a new section in your dashboard sidebar. Look for something like Settings WP Maintenance Mode, or if you went with SeedProd, it will usually appear under SeedProd Landing Pages. Click to open those settings. Inside, you'll see options for status or mode. You want to switch this to Activated or select Coming Soon mode depending on the plugin's wording. This is what actually tells WordPress to show the maintenance or coming soon message to visitors. A small tip here: think of this mode as flipping a sign on your storefront from open to closed for renovations. Now customize the message that your visitors will see. Most plugins give you a default text, but I recommend tweaking it. Try something clear and reassuring like "Our website is currently under maintenance. We'll be back soon." If you want to add a countdown timer, it's a nice touch. It shows visitors exactly when to check back. Some plugins even let you upload your logo or change colors to match your brand. Take a minute or two to make this message friendly. It takes the edge off any inconvenience and maintains a good impression. Make sure to confirm that logged-in administrators are still able to view the live site. Why is this useful? Well, if you're still working behind the scenes, you'll want access to make changes or double-check that everything's running smoothly without constantly having to disable maintenance mode. Finally, click Save or Update to lock in your settings, and that's it. Your site is now in maintenance mode, hidden from normal visitors, safe from search engine penalties, and ready to go live again whenever you finish your updates or fixes. That wraps up our quick guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another WordPress topic you're trying to figure out. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides and useful tips. Thanks for watching and good luck with your website.